I got it in white and it is beautiful. There is so much storage and it comes together so nicely. One of the best purchases I have made on Amazon in a while. This product that I purchased online is super spacious. The two-side door that can open for hanging your necklaces. Multiple layers of small little drawers can store all the earrings and hairbands and other hair accessories. Love it and absolutely recommended it. I love the white color, elegant, color, size and structure all very accurately described. No surprise and just what I wanted.